Welcome back to No Bullshit. If you guys are in deep shit, or a little too much of the inside thing going on, I got something that's going to pull you right out of it. It's going to make the wife real happy. Okay, here's the deal. This is what we're going to roll with today. Flour, brown sugar, powdered sugar, cocoa, sea salt, Ghirardelli caramel squares, olive oil, walnuts, pure vanilla extract, Pyrex with a whisk, a ball, and a 20-volt drill. Alright, let's get this going. I'm going to put some olive oil on the towel. We're going to grease up the pan. We did this in a prior video. If you are confused, I will link the video so you can see that again. It's an easy technique. Don't worry about a brush. Go with the towel. Okay, the next step, you know the procedure. Hit bake, 350. That's a preheat. Okay, the next step, we're going to start putting all the ingredients together. You ready? Okay, the next step, we're going to take butter. And we're going to throw it in a cup. Now we're going to melt the butter that we threw in the cup. Okay, next, we're going to take that coffee cup full of butter. We're going to throw it into the microwave. And we're going to boil that down. Why is it in a coffee cup? Because it's microwave safe. Okay, a little bit of an issue here. Scale that back. Don't go 2 minutes. Go like more like a minute, minute and 20. Okay, next, here we go. Gonna do some eggs. Forgot to tell you about the eggs, but you need 2. Put those right back in there. Nobody cares about that. That's all good. You need about a tablespoon of oil. Drop that in there. Let's take our butter. Let's pop that in there. Okay, now we're gonna need to take this brown sugar and drop it in there. Now, I don't have a measuring cup. I don't use a measuring cup. It's too much baloney. So here we go. We're gonna take my mason jar, 1/8. We need 1/8 cup sugar. It's the same diameter. You put it on the side, you look to the top, boom. There we go. 1/8 brown sugar. So let's take that brown sugar, pop it right in there. That'll do. Okay, now this next part's super easy. Follow along. Take your 20-volt drill. Take out the bit. Take your whisk. Broke the handle off. Why don't you have a mixer? Why should I have a mixer when I got a cordless 20-volt drill? Okay, next you're going to take your drill and we're just going to do a little bit of whisking. Don't go crazy. We're supposed to do this for 1 minute. I don't believe it. We can speed that up. Maybe do it in about 15 seconds, maybe 20. We're supposed to watch out for the consistency here or something. I don't know. We're just going to keep busting this down so we don't see any more eggs. That'll do it. Okay, next we got to put in that pure vanilla extract. This is a beautiful thing. Women love vanilla. Love it. Love the smell of it. It goes great with the cakes, brownies, cookies. This makes the house smell good. Alright, now we got the flour. It's calling for a 1/2 cup. We already put that in the mason jar. Now we're going to take the cocoa. I'm going to drop a little bit of that in there, maybe even a little extra. Nobody's going to argue with that. Alright, let's take that little concoction. It said to sift. I don't get it. We're not going to sift. We're just going to do a slow roll with the drill. We're not going to get all bubbly with it because then it resembles a cake. So we're just going to go a little bit here and a little bit there. Go around the world a couple times. Alright. Okay, next we're going to take the batter. We're going to put it in the Pyrex. Okay, it's time to pop this in the oven. We're going to put this on the top shelf. After you spread that out nice and even on the top, put it on the top shelf. Do not put it on the middle shelf. It will dry out your brownies. We're gonna set the timer. We're gonna go 24 minutes. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Let's pull them out. Let's throw that Ghirardelli on there. We're gonna put them back in for another 5 minutes. Okay, so now take that brownie, cut it up into a couple slices, and make a little bit of a double-decker. Now, there's a couple ingredients that I didn't tell you about. I got a little bit of a added bonus that I'm gonna add to my brownies. The first item that we're gonna go with to add up a little spice, we're gonna go with some extra creamy whipped topping. And finally, the cookie dough, chocolate chip. Okay, that was a lot of hard work, but it's done. Okay, here it is. This is your Thelma and Louise Brad Pitt moment for your woman. You got your Ghirardelli caramel and chocolate dripping off the side. The two moist brownies with the cookie dough ice cream melting on the top. And the whipped cream topping everything off. You can even throw an apple in there just in case she wants to be a little bit healthy and skip it, but I doubt it. I'm gonna eat it. Have a great night.